Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how I prepared my garlic butter salmon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to Kali J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, Kali J's Kitchen. The link for my Facebook page will be in the description box. Once again guys, thank you for all of your support. Thank you for all of your kind comments. I really appreciate it. So guys, here I have my salmon. And it's already washed. I also have my garlic, and I grated my garlic. I also have anchor butter, and this one is just salted butter. I also have some all-purpose seasoning, some Maggi season up, and I'm also going to use some black pepper. So what I'm going to do, I am just going to go ahead and season my salmon on the cutting board. Now guys, if you have like a basin and you want to go ahead and season your salmon in your basin, that's fine. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add the Maggi season up all-purpose first. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some black pepper. And also guys, if you have the green seasoning, you could also go ahead and add a little green seasoning to your salmon. I also add the island spice all-purpose seasoning. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and use my hand to just rub in the seasoning. Because you want to ensure that the seasoning is evenly distributed. Because you don't want one part to taste salty and then another part just don't have, any taste, any flavor. So I'm just rubbing the seasoning in, and I'm gonna cover this for at least 15 minutes to 30 minutes before cooking. But guys, before you cover it, always ensure that you hit up the right taste. So if you have to go in and add some more seasoning, you can go in and add some more seasoning before you start preparing your garlic butter salmon. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and add some more all-purpose seasoning. And guys, as you can see, I'm not adding any salt to my salmon because, as you all know, the powder seasoning have enough salt already. Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and start preparing my garlic butter salmon. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go ahead and add a piece of the anchor butter. And you want this to just melt before you add the garlic. Once again guys, if you're watching this video, remember to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook, Kali J's Kitchen. The link will be in the description box. Guys, I know I've been missing for a while, but I promise you I'll try my best to put up more videos this week. And once again guys, thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for telling your friends about Kali J's Kitchen. And I just want to thank all of my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. And I can't wait to share more recipes with you and just get to know you all. So as you can see, the butter is melting. Alright guys, Now that my butter is all melted, I'm just going to go ahead and add the garlic. And guys, please note this is freshly grated garlic. So I'm just gonna combine the garlic and the butter together. But I'm not going to add the salmon just yet. I want the garlic to be a little bit, start getting a little bit brown before I add the salmon. Once again, guys, remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to check out my description box for all of the recipes. So guys, if you look closely, you will see that the garlic starts to change color. It starts to get brown. But I'm not going to allow it to burn. So what I'm going to do now, it's time to go ahead and add the salmon. So I'm just going to add them one by one. And I'm going to allow the salmon to cook on both sides for 7 minutes, 6 to 7 minutes. Then I'm going to flip it over on the other side to cook for another 7 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and flip it on the other side. And I'm just going to allow this side to cook for another 7 minutes. So guys, now that my salmon is all cooked on both sides, it's time to go ahead and remove my salmon. So if you can see on the screen, I have a plate and I also have a napkin. So I'm just going to place the salmon on the napkin because I want the excess oil to drain. And then I'm going to serve this with some cream sweet potatoes and some lettuce and carrot. And guys, this is a really easy and simple recipe. You can go ahead and try it out. It's a great dinner idea, Sunday dinner, or Saturday, if you want to just hang out with friends and have something simple and nice. Alright guys, so this is what my garlic butter salmon looks like. This is the final look And I serve it up with some cream, sweet potatoes, some lettuce and carrot. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you share this video with your friends, and I hope you try out these recipes. Also guys, remember to